Hi guys, today I'm going to be harvesting one of my big watermelons from the garden. The average days to maturity for this variety is 90 days, and it's been about 90 days since I put this plant in the ground. The little tendril here that's closest to the watermelon fruit is completely dry. It's been dry for about a week. A dead tendril isn't a completely foolproof method for telling when a watermelon is ripe, but it is your best bet. And if you want to be extra careful, once you see a completely dead tendril, leave the watermelon on the plant for another week before you harvest it. And 9 times out of 10, you're going to have a ripe watermelon. It's ready to pick. I'm pretty certain it's ripe, so we're going to go ahead and pull this off of here, and we'll take it over to the table and cut it open. I didn't film it for you guys, but I did want to show you what else I harvested this morning. I have a nice little haul here. This is the Kaho watermelon. We ate one of these last night. It was really good. I might cut this one open and show you guys what it looks like. I grew these in a pot, this and the bush sugar baby. Honestly, I didn't take very good care of my watermelon plants that were in pots this year, and that's why they're such a small size. When you grow watermelons in a pot, you really need to make sure that you're keeping up with fertilizing them and watering them. And I have neglected them in both areas. I'm not a perfect gardener, guys. I get busy and I neglect my plants just like everybody else does. We've got some eggplants here, some peppers, Jimmy Nardello, and I think this one is probably Beaver Dam. As I've said in previous videos, I'm having a great pepper year. We harvested some tomatoes and a couple of cucumbers. My cucumbers are really on their last leg and they're starting to die off. It's a really good idea to succession plant cucumbers if you can. Where I live, my cucumber plants always get some kind of disease and they die. So enough of my rambling on. Let's get this thing cut open. It never gets old. I'm always so excited to cut open a watermelon and see how it's turned out. And I can already tell you guys that I picked it too early and it's not ripe. Just kidding, it's ripe. There we go. Oh, it looks so good. So excited. And it smells really good too. Can't wait to try it. And it's perfect. I wish you guys could be here to try it. This variety is Jubilee. I'm not sure if I told you guys that before. Let's go ahead and cut open that little Kaho watermelon. I want to show you guys what that one looks like. These watermelons are only supposed to get between 2 and 4 pounds. This one is smaller than that. Maybe a pound, maybe. But this is what it looks like on the inside. It's a really tasty watermelon. I think it's probably one of the better flavored watermelons that I've had. It has a nice orange flesh that goes all the way to the rind. This one might be slightly overripe, but not too bad. I think this would be a really good one to grow up a trellis in the ground. You could save a lot of space in your garden, and they wouldn't need too much support to stay up on the trellis. I might try that next year, I don't know. I want to give a big shout out to Brian from Never Enough Dirt. He's the one that sent me the seeds for the Kaho watermelon. If you like watching watermelon growing videos, he grows them as well. Plus he grows a whole bunch of interesting things, definitely more interesting things than I grow. So be sure to check out his channel if you haven't already. If you're new to my channel, be sure to check out my playlists. I have multiple playlists on growing watermelons. It's one of my favorite things to grow. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.